Using a saw to build a house is a skill some volunteers didn't have before starting with Habitat for Humanity. And because of the pandemic, there's been a lot of changes.
All of the different restrictions that we've had since COVID have started, those have been an adjustment so far. But if you look hard enough, there's still Habitat affiliates out there building.
COVID-19 has cut the number of volunteers to help. In Alice, there are only 11 volunteers compared to the usual 20. It's also taking longer to build. Caravanners that come from different states and other volunteers will have to work 4 to 5 weeks compared to the typical 3 weeks. As for parts, lumber and windows have been hard to get because the manufacturers are behind on sending them. There are also other changes volunteers have had to get used to. Painting this board is part of the exterior process. In past years, one team would do the exterior of the house and one team would do the interior. But with less volunteers this year, that means they'll have to do both. But volunteers say it's all worth it.
People are not getting a free house. I mean, they have to work, they have to be able to pay a mortgage. It's an interest-free mortgage, but they have to follow some requirements, and so it's not giving them a handout.
Instead of inviting people that received the houses in past years to a welcome dinner, they only invited the family that will get a home this year. They were also unable to host their yearly dance fundraiser that benefits their operations, meaning they have less money. Despite these setbacks, volunteers tell us this won't stop them from helping those in need.
It's slowed us down, reduced our numbers as a crew, but we've still been able to find places that we can go and be productive.
Reporting in Alice, Andrew Christensen, Chris 6 News.